Hi, this is Nancy Mansell coming to you from CNN, Behind the Glass. Right now we're going to look at writing rational expressions in lowest terms. This is a rational expression. It's a trinomial divided by a trinomial. Looks pretty nasty, right? Wait till you see how fun this is. We can factor that. It's a times a. The signs are different. I need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to -1. How about that? Does that work? Positive 2a minus 3a is -a. Good. Down here, signs are the same. They're both positive. Two numbers that multiply to 6 but add to 5 are 2 and 3. Anything over itself is 1. So those cancel away. And a minus 3 over a plus 3 is our simplified expression. Now, can I cancel those a's? Yes or no? What do you think? If you said no, you're right. We can't cancel those a's because there's addition signs and subtraction signs. So how is that different than those addition signs and subtraction signs? Well, these ones are encrusted in parentheses and part of a quantity. So you can cancel those. Okay, let's try another one, very similar. This time I have 4 terms over 4 terms. And 4 terms is like a neon light. It says I can be factored by grouping. So I'm going to take the top, and what does that have in common? They both have an r. If I take the r out, what's left? P plus q. And over here, what do they have in common? An s. If I take the s out, what's left? P plus q. Okay, do you remember factor by grouping and how it worked? If you have these things in common, you can factor them out, and you can scoop up the rest. Let me write it over here. And you can scoop up the rest. Okay, so now we factored the top. Now let's factor the bottom. It's also 4 terms, so it's factored by grouping, and we're going to do the same thing. We can take out an r, it's going to leave us p plus q. We can take out a negative s, it's going to leave us p plus q. If these are the same, you factor them out, and you scoop up the rest. Okay, so now we're looking at this, and we're trying to simplify it. Is there anything else we can do to simplify this? Yeah, these are the same, right? Anything over itself is 1. So our answer is r plus s over r minus s. Not so bad, huh?